Hi there, this is John Price, ECD Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida, Head of Vehicle Design. Today, we'd like to talk to you guys about how comfortable the fenders are for daily use as well as long journeys. Now, first of all, we enhance, of course, our mechanical components as well as interior ergonomics of the vehicle, enhancing the way, of course, that the vehicles feel, react, and how our clients can enjoy them, of course. One thing that we like about our cars is that we are able to manipulate the setup of the seats. Our standard setup is a 2+2 and 4 configuration with captain chairs in the front and middle rows, and then typically either 4 jump seats facing each other or 2 traditional benches facing each other in the cargo area. That is, of course, for a Defender 110. Now, we've been able to achieve lowering the front seat boxes and also we set up the seat brackets a little bit further back, so you gain an extra couple of inches in both front and middle row as well. So again, making it a little bit more comfortable to get in and out of the car, and also add some extra leg room for both the driver as well as the passenger behind them. So besides this, of course, we also enhance the suspension components that these vehicles come with. We offer a Land Rover Premium Road suspension, but also for those folks that would like to get a cushier ride, especially for longer journeys, we offer an E.C.D Air Ride fully adjustable air suspension, which enhances ride quality about 20% considered compared to the standard. Of course, we always look at ways to enhance the internal components of the vehicle, of course, and the interior layout of the cars. One piece that we also recommend to many of our clients for enhanced comfort is our extended center console. So this will come through the front and middle rows. That allows the passengers in the back to have some armrests, additional cup holders, USB charging points, and even for some, we can include, of course, some wireless charging pads. So if they're on a long journey, would like to just drop their phone and be able to charge it as they go, that's very convenient, of course. So not only will we try to make it as comfortable as possible to the passengers, as quiet as possible as well, but also giving the practical sense of having all the gadgets and things with them and being able to enjoy them for extended periods of time. Now, all in all, whether you're looking at daily driving your vehicle or using it for road trips and things of that nature, we can serve both very well with the enhanced components, mechanical on the mechanical side, as well as all the conveniences that we can include in the vehicles inside, and the perfect layout that we can put together for you. This will serve you well either way.